Hey everybody, this is a demonstration video of our KnifeSmith forge by Mathewson Metals. We want to just go over a couple things and show you how it works, and here we go. We're going to get started. I'm going to turn up the regulator until I hear a hiss. We've hooked up the burner, it's in place. I hear a hiss, I'm going to turn it one more full turn. I hear it get louder, I'm going to light it. And there you go, you can see it started up. It's going to start heating up pretty quickly. Now you can use these wide open like this and turn them way up. And they're going to heat up the metal just fine, but you're going to use a lot less fuel if you use some fire bricks or some steel plate or some sort of improvised doors. So that's what I'm going to do before it gets too hot. I'm going to set up some fire bricks across the back. Some across the front. You know, we're just kind of using these, we can adjust them. We want to leave at least some opening there. That's going to heat up a lot faster and be a lot more efficient. As you can see, it's pretty easy. You just find some fire bricks and kind of set it up to where you can adjust your opening. These are a pass-through forge, so you can work on longer pieces of steel. You just open up your back bricks and slide a longer piece through if you got to work the middle of a bar or something long. So that's going to preheat now, and as you can see, the chamber's getting quite a bit hotter. We're going to go ahead and let that preheat for probably about a minute. And once we see that whole chamber go to orange, we're going to go ahead and heat up a piece of steel. Okay, as you can see, it's getting pretty hot in there. We're going to go ahead and put a piece of 3/8 square stock. This is mild steel. We're going to go ahead and put it in there and heat it up. As you can see, we're getting it pretty hot there, pretty much ready to forge on that if we wanted to. As you run these forges longer, you can back off the fuel because it gets preheated and it heats up quite a bit faster. It starts reflecting the heat back in on itself. So again, pull that out. There you go. It's that easy. These come with an adjustable regulator, so you can turn them down once they get hot and come down to a lot less fuel usage. Out of the box, you just install your burner and you're off to the races. Anyway, that's the KnifeSmith. It's our entry-level forge, but it still works great. And thank you very much for watching.